Panguva ino izvonzi vadhakwa toda vakomana panapobuda nyora chiti Mnangagwa firing VP with immediate effect after chikumbudzodzi poison talk failed to convince army to back ED. Saramira mashoko atoona panapa zvinzi pane vhidhiyo rinorilidzwa navakomana aiwa varakashi vakomana veThe Ruling Party ZANU-PF. Zvatiri kuona panapa mashoko aitwa nemutungamiri wenyika unyange netoni yake aratidza kuti haasi kufara achiona kuti aiwa he failed to convince vakomana kuti vamubheke. Sanamira mashoko amudanyorwa panapa pa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivina vana pamula pamuchinzi. ZANU-PF today published a video of President Mnangagwa in a way that suggests he has announced that his deputy Chiwenga violated the ZANU-PF constitution by addressing internal party members at the matter the Heroes Acre hilltop last Monday. The revelations has intensified speculation that Mnangagwa is preparing to dismiss his long-time ally, escalating tensions within the ruling party. Mnangagwa said he is upset that his call to stop the broadcasting of party issues have not only been dishonored, but the behavior has become worse than before. The clip is Mnangagwa saying the person who ascended a hilltop to announce party issues has broken the constitution, he said. There are many things that have been spoken in the party that affect my name without me replying because I have an agenda to maintain the party. It is not right for members of the party to attack each other in the open, to ascend a hilltop to insult each other. It is not allowed according to our constitution in the party. If we have issues that we want to speak or want to ask or we dispute each other, we have forums to attend to them. So this is what I was doing. I was attending to procedures. This is what you need to do. Issues should not leak out. That is the way we built our party. But now I've discovered that the problem of blowing issues out of the party has worsened. Mashukano kudaitwa panapa. A video re long back rabudzwa navakomana vebato the ruling party ratadza mutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa asifara nezvakaitika. Ameno we never know kuti what is gonna be his next move after aiwa tiona mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino haasi kufara nechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mutse mafunguro enyu. Sauna subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.